Hello guys, welcome back to my workshop. Today we are going to unbox and install Shad SH23 SideCases on Lady Wolf's Yamaha MT-07. I think she will like this a lot, since on our big trips it's always nice to have some extra space to take our stuff. And since her birthday is coming up, why not? Alright, so let's unbox the fittings. One hand only. Okay, so we have some instructions. Screws, bolts. Everything we need. First step, we need to remove these bolts over here. So let's go for the right fitting first. So this works alone if you only want the side cases, or in conjunction with the top case also from Shad, and that's really nice. So we're going to need an Allen wrench to remove these bolts from here, these screws. Okay, so it's going around. You need to support it with the wrench from the inside. It has a nut on the inside. There we go. Second one. Here we go. This is really simple to do, just need a bit of time. And it sits nicely. Okay, so in the peg, in the rear passenger peg, it's not a bolt. I don't know the English name for it. Just need to remove this little metal thing to remove the pin. It's probably a pin. Just need to put it straight and it will come off easily. So you remove the original pin and put a screw from the kit, from the Shad kit. It is a little bit longer. The nuts are really cool. They have washers and they have that little unscrewing protection. That's good. So you know they are not going to unscrew later. Be careful with the screw sizes. Some are longer. You can see here the nuts. Sorry about the camera work. So let's tighten it up. One thing I noticed already, it's that without the cases, with the fittings only, the bike still looks okay. That's the good thing about the 3P system from Shad. The other fittings, they have those big squares and they look really ugly, especially on sport bikes or naked bikes like this one. Remember to tighten the screws all the way only in the end after everything is in place. So you can still have some play or adjustment available. All right. You can see here, looks good. A few more kilograms on Lady Wolf's bike. Okay, this is very important. The original fittings from Shad come with the lock ends for the bigger SH25 and SH36 cases. For the SH23 that we have here now, we need this adapter that should come with the cases. This is the piece that will allow these cases to lock into the fittings. This is very important. Without this, they will be loose. So let's remove the original. It's a Phillips screw, very tight. A little bit too hard to get because we have the top case fittings here, but it's out. It is just a very strong plastic piece. Okay, so let's grab the ones for the SH23 cases. They go in like this. They are a bit bigger than the ones that come installed. You just need to put them all the way inside of the fittings and then put the screw back in. Let's tighten it up. There you go, looks nice. Okay, so the cases go in like this, on the side and over the top. At first we had a little bit difficult to lock them into place. It is a matter of getting used to them. It's quite easy actually when you get used to it. You can see here the final look of the fittings. So if Lady Wolf wants to go for a ride without the cases, she can still do it. Okay, so let's put the top case in. And the side cases. Side first, and then click them in position. And try to pull them back a little bit and we'll click into place. Pretty secure system actually. On the other side, and click. You must have make sure that they click into the slot, or they will be loose. Alright, final look. Really looks awesome. This is a really touring MT-07 for sure. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's go for a ride to show off the cases.